In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide files in Google Drive. This can be a really handy trick if you want to keep certain files out of immediate view without fully removing access. Maybe you're sharing a workspace with others, or perhaps you just want to keep things tidier. We'll explore a simple method to hide a file by masking it with an image, while still allowing access if needed. First, let's start by opening Google Drive. If you haven't already, head over to drive.google.com and sign in with your Google account. Once you're at the main dashboard, you'll likely see all your files neatly organized in the My Drive section. Scan through your list and identify the file you wish to conceal. Once you have your target file in sight, go ahead and right-click on it. Right-clicking will bring up a context menu with various options. Among these options, you will spot File Information. Click on this option to proceed. The file information section contains details about your file, such as its owner and current location within your drive. It's a useful area, but today we're focused on something specific, managing versions. So let's move swiftly to the next action. Locate and click on Manage Versions. This feature in Google Drive is designed to allow you to upload new versions of a document, essentially overwriting the previous version with the newer one, while still preserving older versions in the background for a set amount of time. Now that you're in the Manage Versions window, you'll see an option to upload new version. This part is where the magic happens. When you click on Upload New Version, a window will pop up asking you to choose a file from your computer. For this particular trick to work, you want to select an image file. Any generic photo will do. This doesn't delete your original file, it merely masks it. So when someone visits the link or opens this version by default, what they will see is the image you just uploaded instead of the original document. Once you've selected and uploaded your image, watch as it seamlessly replaces the current preview. The original file remains intact and accessible to anyone with permission. They'll just need to explore further if they wish to obtain it. Finally, to wrap up this process, simply click Close to exit the Manage Versions window. And there you have it, your file is hidden in plain sight, cleverly disguised by an image you chose. This method keeps your file discreet yet accessible for those who know where to look. It's a creative, subtle way to manage file visibility within Google Drive. Thanks for joining our tutorial today, and take advantage of this nifty Google Drive feature to organize your digital space more effectively.